मंगळारा कला अकादमीच्या ब्लॅक बॉक्सांत इंडियन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ आर्किटेक्टच्या गोंय फांट्यान शारीकरणात मानवतावाद ह्या विशयाचेर चर्चा सत्र आयोजित केल्लें. हातूंत ब्रुनो डायस सोजा आनी विनायक बर्णे हांच्यांनी वक्तव्य केल्लें. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
The theme Humanism and Urbanism is formulated with an objective of understanding the direction which is on right now as regards to fast growing pace of urbanization, more specifically on the quality of human scale in our architectural build forms that evolve from our design studios. Are the creations evolving from our design studio actually doing justice to the human scale and the contextual symbolic regional identity of the place, in particular Goa? Are we doing justice to the consumer who dreams of a home or a place to stay, or is he forced to compromise and accommodate within a design network that is dictated by commercially driven market forces? The design parameters on one side speak of sensitivity to human scale and human angle in our designs, but are the transformations that are happening actually a concern for all of us is a question today at this forum.
And urbanism involves, it really relates to planning, big decisions, formulating rules and laws, and really tackling urbanism in a bigger context. So that leaves humanism. Well, humanism, it is hard to define. And I think we all know what it is about, because we are all human beings, and therefore it's inherent in all of us what humanism is. So I need not define that. The definition I leave it to other experts, maybe behavioral scientists, whatever it is. But we all know what it is about because we all feel it.